decor has changed a lot over the years, and obviously I am still experimenting.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems.
Welcome back. Ashley Camber here. I am going to share some of the experiments in my life space. Today's experiment in imperfection is organizing. I love organizing. I have an addiction. I will admit it. It's a problem. But I do enjoy the endorphin rush and the lowering of my cortisol levels when I am in organization mode. It really works out quite nicely because my closets are always very organized whenever I get the most stressed. My husband tells this story about a man that he met that told him to tailor his life. I love this story, and it is one of the first charming stories he ever shared with me. I'm in the process of tailoring my life, and I really hope you enjoy coming along with me. My home office has held the space for my family to grow and change. But first, here is my former office. And then came a paint experiment. I thought it would inspire me and others, but it was not inviting. At the time, I had wanted to breathe life into the room for my new desk armoire. You can imagine how jarring this was to the senses, though. Jumping forward to this home's office, I knew we'd want to have a neutral wall color since the office opens up to the front entry, as well as the entrance from the garage. And yet, I knew I'd still want to play with colors. The hues, tints, tones, and shades will continue to vary, and that's one thing I love about claiming my stake in this space. When we get tuned in, we can create a space to feed us, not deplete us. And that's my goal with my office organization project. Time to take back my space. What do you think? You don't like it? Birdie? Did somebody take your birdie? I love you. Oh no. You want to show me? Show mommy?
Cutie bear, and cheese, I'm going to soccer rocker. And take a picture.
Okay.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop.
Okay, so tell me what you think in the comments below. I love office supplies. I love organization. I love decor. It's just a marriage of all of my favorite things. So I want to hear from you. What are your favorites? Do you love label makers? Maybe staplers? I don't know. Sticky notes? Tell me your favorites. Rose gold, clear. Like, I love acrylic things, right? You have to have at least one acrylic piece in every room. So I gotta know. Bye. What else do I have in store, you ask? Well, I've been working on some content for you. It includes makeup and skincare, embracing imperfections, and self-love. Okay, YouTube is not as easy as it seems.
Just for fun. Are you ever sorry?
I'm still trying to figure out my design sense, but it's a fun experiment in the works.
Every time you turn your back, I wish I was done with that. Many times I try to start all over.
Hey, honey? Kids? Mommy's just gonna lay down for a little bit. Eat some cherry sours and relax. Oh, you saw that?